Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make your Facebook account private or how to lock your Facebook account. So, the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open your Facebook application. You can also use the Facebook web browser. And then after that, you just have to log into your account. So once you're here, just have to click on this three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. That's right. And then click on your profile. So right here you have this three dots. So all you have to do is to click on this one. Right, so right here you just have to find the lock profile option. So we have this one below the view us. So click on the lock profile. And then right here you have to read this note. So only friends will see your past and future photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Then only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, and so on. So click on the lock your profile option at the bottom of your screen. Then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and now you have successfully locked your profile or make your Facebook account private. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.